Hello everyone, welcome to another 20 Wheels video. Today I'm just going to give you an update on a couple of cars that I haven't shown on my channel recently. That's not because I've been neglecting them or because I've been prioritising the Morris. Okay, it's a little bit because I've been prioritising the Morris because I really want to get that on the road before lockdown is totally over. But the Midget and the Golf. So I'll start with the Golf because that's had the least progress. As you can see, the engine is still not in the car. That is because it is over here on the floor. It's all ready to go in. It doesn't look like it, but it actually is all ready to go in. The only thing I want to do beforehand is sort out all of this wiring. And basically I need to splice the car side of the wiring loom into the new loom for the ECU for the 20 valve turbo. So that is making progress. And the other one that I haven't done much on is the Midget. So it has had progress. There is a roll bar in the car. It's not bolted in, as I forgot the other day and went for a drive just around the estate just to stretch your legs a little bit for 5 minutes, and the roll bar hit me on the head twice. Very painful. Considering it doesn't weigh all that much, it hurts when it hits you on the head. So the other things I got: new fuel tank. The existing one is rusty and I'm going to a new fuel system. With the current tank, and well, with that tank, if I was just to swap it straight over, we're having problems going around roundabouts where you get some fuel starvation and then the car misfires for a few seconds and doesn't sound great, doesn't feel great. It's probably not great for the engine, so that's going to go in with a swell pot. Should solve all of those issues, and also should help me when we get the new engine in with more power. Should at least be able to supply enough fuel to prevent fuel starvation. I've also taken all the carpets out. They're all in the back at the moment. They are all the original carpets and they're all pretty past it, quite tired. I've bought a big roll black carpet, and I've got all new door cards, all new vinyl trim for the entire car. Bought that from MG Beehive, I think. I'll put a link in the description below. That's all going to go in. It is the same colour, it is the autumn leaf colour. There is a reason for that. So these are the new seats going in the Midget. They are cloth, not leather or vinyl, whatever the ones I've got at the moment are. Excuse the state of this one. They were kindly donated by MX5 Restorer from a car they were breaking, and they were left outside with the roof up for a little while. This one, I've taken the cloth of the covering off. That's been through the washing machine. This one hasn't yet. Right, so this one, I have performed what they call a foamectomy, and essentially what I've done is cut the clips off the cover, taken the covers off, removed the foam backing from the lumbar area, and I've also cut a lot of the foam out, well, probably about an inch or so out of the base of the seat. So that's then the seat recovered. That gives a lot more side support here and on the sides of the base here, and also supports your thighs a little bit more. Now the reason I'm not doing that with the passenger seat, the one that still needs cleaning, is because Heather, my better half, actually quite likes the car. Wasn't expecting her to. We went to a car meet in September, I think, and went out one evening and she loved it. I was expecting lots of complaints about how uncomfortable it was, how cramped it was, but she loved it. The only thing she doesn't like is vinyl or leather seats. She prefers cloth, so hence the upgrade, and the fact that my driver's seat was torn anyway and I needed new seats. These are also the seats with speakers and headrest, which this one had, someone had cut the foam out there, put some massive speaker in. I'm not putting the original speakers in. I've bought some massively upgraded speakers for better sound, obviously. I'm still going to work on the sound system on this. Obviously we have the exhaust, I know that, but occasionally I might like a bit of music. So under the bonnet at the moment looks exactly as it did before. However, I'm moving the battery into the boot, and I'm probably going to change the cooling system for, I want to put a reservoir in. I just think it's going to be a lot more reliable and easier to see where the head gasket's gone, being a K-series. But that is about it. That is pretty much what I'm working on. There's other little things like I've welded up some of the holes from the conversion where I hadn't quite finished them up, and I found out the previous owner had not welded the floors in properly. There's literally little tiny stitches of weld and then big open gaps. So the floors have now been welded in properly, and obviously with the roll bar as well, should make the whole car a lot stiffer, hopefully. Other than that, we're going to shorten the gear lever, because that's been annoying me, how long that is. And yeah, we should hopefully see this thing back on the road sometime soon. My little update on my 2 other projects you haven't seen for a while. Hopefully that will change and you should see them in another video soon. Please do like the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.